I think the advantage of business is that if they want, they can act immediately. And I think in this sense, perhaps we are a little bit in advance. On the political side, at first you have to create political awareness, and then afterwards perhaps you are starting to act. And when you act, you are helping or you are motivating other people to act. That's how politics works. As a business, I think we have the possibility, but also the responsibility to act immediately. So I personally believe that what we are achieving by bringing this to the attention of the business community, and I say again, I think what we have been doing in Davos, for example, was very critical, and we will continue. We'll continue talking water next year in Davos very clearly. We are working with the World Economic Forum in order to create, and we have created a special water working group, water forum group, and you can see more and more companies being aware of the critical issue of water. So I think this is advantage, but also responsibility that business can and should act immediately. I think politicians have to create awareness and then afterwards can steer others to do something about it.